Hello Forex lover, welcome again. In this article, we will dive into the world of OANDA WEB, an online Forex trading platform that has gained popularity among traders and investors globally. OANDA WEB offers a user-friendly interface, a wide range of trading instruments, and advanced charting tools, making it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced traders. Throughout this discussion, we will explore the features, benefits, and drawbacks of OANDA WEB, as well as some frequently asked questions to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of this platform. What is OANDA WEB? OANDA WEB is the web-based version of OANDA's Forex trading platform, which allows users to access their trading accounts directly through a web browser. It eliminates the need for software installation and updates, making it convenient and accessible from any device with an internet connection. Two key features of OANDA WEB. OANDA WEB comes packed with a plethora of features to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Intuitive interface. OANDA WEB boasts a user-friendly interface, enabling users to navigate and execute trades with ease. Advanced charting. The platform offers an array of charting tools, technical indicators, and drawing features to aid in market analysis. One-click trading. Traders can quickly execute trades with a single click, enhancing efficiency during fast-moving markets. Newsfeed. Stay updated with real-time market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. Customizable layouts. Personalize your trading workspace by arranging and saving preferred chart layouts. Order management. OANDA WEB supports various order types, including market, limit, stop-loss, and trailing stop orders. 3 pros and cons of OANDA WEB. Like any trading platform, OANDA WEB has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's take a closer look. Pros: accessible from any web browser without the need for software downloads. Provides a comprehensive range of technical analysis tools for in-depth market research. Allows traders to monitor their positions and execute trades on the go. Supports risk management tools, such as stop-loss and take-profit orders. Offers a demo account for users to practice trading strategies without risking real funds. Cons: may not have all the advanced features available in the desktop version of the platform. Relies on internet connectivity, which could be a concern in areas with unstable connections. Some traders might prefer the familiarity and customization options of standalone software. 4 account types. OANDA WEB provides different account types to suit individual preferences. Standard account. The standard account offers competitive spreads and no minimum deposit requirements, making it an ideal choice for beginners and casual traders. Premium account. The premium account comes with additional features, lower spreads, and a personalized approach for more experienced traders and high-volume investors. 5. Getting started with OANDA WEB. If you're new to OANDA WEB, follow these steps to get started. Visit the OANDA website and click on the Sign Up or Open an Account button. Fill in your personal details and create a username and password for your account. Verify your identity by providing the necessary documents as per regulatory requirements. Once your account is approved, log into OANDA WEB using your credentials. Explore the platform, familiarize yourself with the features, and consider using the demo account for practice. If you're ready to trade with real money, fund your account through the available payment methods. Start trading by selecting your preferred trading instruments, analyzing the markets, and executing trades. 6 trading instruments. OANDA WEB offers a wide range of trading instruments, including forex, trade major, minor, and exotic currency pairs with competitive spreads. Commodities. Access popular commodities like gold, silver, oil, and more. Indices. Trade on global stock market indices, such as the S&P 500, FTSE 100, and more. Bonds. Invest in government bonds and treasury bills from various countries. CFDs. Trade contracts for difference on a variety of assets. 7. Placing trades. Executing trades on OANDA WEB is a straightforward process. Choose the trading instrument you wish to trade. Perform market analysis using the available charting tools and indicators. Decide on the trade direction, buy or sell, and select your trade size. Set your desired stop-loss and take-profit levels to manage risk. Click the buy or sell button to execute the trade. Monitor your open positions and make adjustments if needed. 8. Risk management. Effective risk management is crucial in forex trading. OANDA WEB provides various risk management tools. Stop-loss orders. Set a predetermined price level to automatically exit a losing trade and limit potential losses. Take profit orders. Set a target price to automatically close a profitable trade and secure gains. Trailing stops, a dynamic stop-loss order that follows the market price to lock in profits as the trade moves in your favor. Margin call, OANDA WEB will notify you if your account balance falls below the required margin for open positions. 9 Technical Analysis Tools. OANDA WEB offers a wide range of technical analysis tools to help traders make informed decisions. Candlestick charts, visualize price movements using candlestick patterns. Indicators, access various technical indicators, such as moving averages, MACD, RSI, and more. Drawing tools, annotate your charts with trend lines, support and resistance levels, and other drawings. Market sentiment, gauge market sentiment based on client positioning. 10 OANDA WEB mobile app. OANDA WEB also offers a mobile app, allowing traders to access their accounts and trade on the go. The mobile app offers many of the same features as the web version, providing convenience and flexibility for active traders. 11 Customer support. OANDA WEB provides customer support through various channels. Live chat, instantly connect with a support representative via the live chat feature on their website. Email, reach out to support through email for less urgent inquiries. Phone, contact their support team directly through the provided phone numbers. 12 FAQs. Here are some frequently asked questions about OANDA WEB. Q. Is OANDA WEB suitable for beginners? A. Yes, OANDA WEB's user-friendly interface and educational resources make it suitable for beginners. Q. Can I trade cryptocurrencies on OANDA WEB? A. No, OANDA WEB currently does not support cryptocurrency trading. Q. Are there any fees associated with OANDA WEB? A. OANDA WEB charges spreads on trades, and some additional fees may apply depending on the account type and trading activity. Q. Can I access OANDA WEB from my smartphone? A. Yes, OANDA WEB is accessible through web browsers on both smartphones and tablets. Q. Does OANDA WEB offer a demo account? A. Yes, OANDA WEB provides a demo account with virtual funds for users to practice trading. Q. Is my personal information safe with OANDA WEB? A. OANDA takes data security seriously and implements strict measures to protect users' personal information and funds. Q. Can I use OANDA WEB on multiple devices simultaneously? A. Yes, OANDA WEB allows users to access their accounts from multiple devices at the same time. Q. Does OANDA WEB provide market analysis and research tools? A. Yes, OANDA WEB offers real-time market news and analysis to help traders stay informed. Q. Are there any restrictions on leverage? A. OANDA adheres to regulatory guidelines regarding leverage limits, which may vary based on your region and account type. Q. Can I access historical trade data on OANDA WEB? A. Yes, OANDA WEB provides access to historical trade data for analysis and reporting purposes. 13 Conclusion. In conclusion, OANDA WEB is a robust web-based trading platform that caters to traders of all experience levels. Its intuitive interface, advanced charting tools, and comprehensive range of trading instruments make it a popular choice among the trading community. While it may not offer all the features of its desktop counterpart, the accessibility and convenience of OANDA WEB make it a viable option for traders on the go. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, OANDA WEB's risk management tools and technical analysis capabilities can help you make informed trading decisions. The availability of a demo account allows you to practice your strategies without risking real funds, making it an excellent platform for learning and honing your trading skills. If you're interested in exploring the world of online forex trading, OANDA WEB is undoubtedly worth considering. Remember to conduct further research and practice responsible trading to maximize your chances of success in this dynamic and challenging. Kindly follow us for more videos on Forex by subscribing to our channel. Also hit the notification bell and give us a thumbs up. See you in our next video. Bye for now.